Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your shop on Kofi. So this is my Kofi homepage, guys, or let's say my profile page here. And here I just have like my one time, which is like a donation, my membership, this which I'm offering. And there is a shop, but you're not seeing the shop. And the reason for this is that my shop is not yet set up. I don't have any products in there, but I'm going to show you how to actually do this. So once you're inside Kofi, go ahead and go to home on the upper right hand side. It's going to take you right into your account, right? Another way is to quickly jump here is that if you're on your own page, if you expand this burger menu, it takes you into those menus. So you can go ahead and click on shop from there as well. Now you will see that it's in the shop section and you want to ensure that your shop is actually in open and not closed, right? And here you want to go ahead and add a product. Now I'm gonna just add some basic stuff there just to show you how you can add products and to make sure that your shop is set up, right? So you have the product section, you have your contact details, categories, you have things that, for example, sharing, some additional settings, discounts, and all this good stuff, right? And in order to go ahead and let's say have your shop ready, go ahead and start with adding a product. So you can go ahead and you can choose, for example, so I'm gonna say, for example, PDF. I'm gonna just call this like super PDF or super guide. Let's put it like that. Let's call it super guide. Super guide. It's just a basic thing, right? And it's gonna be a digital item. No, you can sell physical item and digital item. So go ahead and choose digital in this case. Then I'm gonna click on next. Now here you want to add the profile description. So I'm gonna say super guide you will love, something like that. You will find, the best description for your product and you can add your images. In this case, I'm gonna just simple choose something, I'm gonna just put some picture. So let's use something basic. So let's say I'm gonna add this kid here as the picture, right? And let's say this is gonna be the preview of the product. And here you want to ensure that, or if you want to embed media and something, this is optional. This is optional. You can add your categories as well. You can add product summary if you want to, whatever. Go ahead. I'm going to create like a category. So I'm going to call this one guides or something like that. Let's say that's going to be the category, right? So I'm going to create that and just simply click and add. And you will see that it adds to a category, then click on save. So there's a new category. You don't have to add categories, but it's a good thing, especially when if you're gonna have a lot of products and people can quickly search from those different categories for products, right? Here, it's the asset is basically the files that the buyer will get. So you want to upload the file. So whatever they will receive when they purchase this particular product, that's what you want to upload here. It can be even to a direct URL. How cool is that? So you want to go ahead and upload the file. So in this case, I'm gonna just choose let's say this PDF document here. It's something about install Office, or maybe let me find something that I have that I want to upload. Let's say doc6. I'm gonna choose this option. Yeah, upload this. And so it is there, the file is added, right? And now you can go ahead and you can set your price, right? Enable what you want them to pay. So let's say I want this to be $20, right? Or 20 euros. And I basically put my price. Here's some additional option. You can say leave a message or instruction for the buyer. If you enable this, you'll have this feature here where you can basically, say how they can use the guide or whatever. This is really optional. This is when they will get it. So if it's going to be something that they will install and they need to follow a particular step or guideline to be able to set things up, you want to put this here as well, right? So keep that in mind. Now you also have the option to who can buy this. Everyone or people who have a monthly subscription, right? So your monthly supporters. So you can set this for if someone just randomly go to your page and they go to your shop, they can buy it, or you want it only to be seen by people or already supporting you. So if you want to create some specific products that, hey, only for people who are supporting me, then I can allow that option. No, I'm going to share with you a really cool way how you can implement this as well. and I will go in depth into it in a separate video. But let's say you want to offer, let's say, your VIP tier, and these people who have the VIP tier, they'll be getting a particular product for a really low price, right? And you want to make this for your specific audience. You want to go ahead and, of course, set up those membership tiers, and then here you will choose a specific tier and choose that. So let's say I want that for my special VIP. I can go ahead and I can select that, and I can say, okay, this product only for my special VIP. And when you're creating those tiers, you can give the option that says, okay, special discount, or something like that, or special products for my VIP fans or something like that. And when you add those products there, only them, only if you have a VIP or whatever special tier that you have, high-end tier that you have, only those people will be able to buy that product. So that's a really cool option. But I'm going to show you how to do that in a separate video. But this is how you can easily go ahead and, let's say, you can make it for all people, right? All supporters, or just basically anyone. I'm going to leave it for anyone at this point. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say create, okay, the original, accept those terms and whatever. And then I'm going to click save and publish. You can also save it as draft. So when you go ahead and click save and publish, guys, you want to ensure that everything is, filled, and, you add your description and all those good stuff, right? So ensure that you quickly fill in all the good stuff that you need to. I'm going to go ahead and just add a product description here, or product summary. I'm going to fill that in. And once you fill in all of those mandatory things, you can go ahead and click and save and publish. You will see it quickly published, guys. You can quickly share it on X. You can copy the link and share it with people, wherever, Facebook. But this is how you will have your product look in your shop afterwards. So here you can see this is the product, and this is how much it costs, right? And you can easily view it in the shop. This is just how it looks from here. But if you click view shop, you will see that it adds a new shop section here to your Kofi, and you have the product, and it shows the price and the description, the name, and it's also under the guides category. And the reason why categories are good as well, because you can quickly sort this. If you click on that, you can sort from the newest, you can sort by whatever it is, right? So you can basically do some sorts, and you can also click on those different categories. If you have multiple products with different categories, people will be able to click on those different categories, and they will be able to see what's there. Now, that's basically it. You add a product, your shop is activated. People can come here and they can buy the product. Let's say I have, let's say, PayPal set up. So let's say this is what I want to buy. I click on the buy now, and it's going to take me over where I can pay with my card or PayPal. And yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.